wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best first aid kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Designed to meet or exceed OSHA and ANSI standards, the Be Smart Get Prepared is a smart choice for a cautious workplace or school. This kit contains nearly everything you'd need in a minor emergency, with a weather-resistant case for use outdoors. It's got well-organized interior compartments and both dressings and medicine. However, the dividers are made of weak plastic. At number 9, a basic but dependable option, the Johnson & Johnson Red Cross would serve as a nice addition to a vacation home or a college student's dorm room. The list of supplies includes several packets of Neosporin and bandages in a variety of sizes. It also comes with examination gloves in a versatile size and weight, but you don't get an extensive variety of items. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The First Aid Only All-Purpose comes in a durable soft pack that's ideal for tossing into your backpack or the front seat of your car before you head out. It's organized in a logical way that makes supplies easy to identify and extract in times of crisis. It includes a one-time use thermometer and is a nice value for a wide range of items. However, the included tweezers are poor quality. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for first aid kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, it probably won't satisfy an intense survivalist, but for the rest of us, the anmeilu Mini is an affordable way to guarantee peace of mind when you're on the go. It's a light, compact option that's ideal for activities like bike rides and boating. The inner bag is waterproof and it contains a loud whistle, but the bandages don't stick very well. Moving up our list to number 6. The multi-purpose Thrive Emergency Bag is as effective in the wilderness as it is in a workplace or a vehicle. It's lightweight and portable at just over £1, and the 291 items within include hospital-grade medical supplies. It sports a reflective logo for visibility and deep inner pockets for safe storage. It includes a first aid guidebook. Halfway up our list at number 5. The First Aid Only 50-person is, as the name suggests, designed to meet the needs of a large group of people. It can be wall-mounted for easy access to medicines and bandages, or it can be carried to wherever aid is needed most urgently. It includes insect sting relief wipes and a CPR mask with a one-way valve. It's a nice option for small businesses. At number 4, using feedback from customers for guidance, the deftget Essential is stocked with uncommon and highly useful items, such as a hand-cranked flashlight and an accurate compass. If you're unsatisfied with this kit in any way, you could return it for a full refund. It fits easily in a glove box and comes with strong stainless steel scissors and a durable, corrosion-resistant bag. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The aootek Travel combines your primary first aid needs with a variety of wilderness survival items, such as fire ignition rods and basic fishing gear. It's a favorite of anglers and hunters, as it comes with a versatile folding knife and a compass as well. It features a strong and effective tourniquet, a bright and powerful flashlight, and an easy-to-grip carrying handle. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for first aid kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, a comprehensive survivalist first aid kit is great, but sometimes you simply need a few items for a last-minute activity. That's why the Swiss Safe 2-in-1 includes a 32-piece mini kit in addition to the 120-item all-inclusive main package. It includes powerful steel trauma shears and an emergency mylar blanket. It's only 9 inches wide for easy storage. And coming in at number 1 on our list. If you're planning on spending an extended amount of time in a remote area, think weeks or months, not days. An all-encompassing kit like the Adventure Mountain series is the way to go. It can be used for dental repairs, illness treatment, and much more. It features injury-specific pockets, fracture care materials, and highly organized fold-out panels. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for first aid kits, or simply click beneath this video.